This one is the one that I ordered is a minced beef, by the way. This set is, by the way, it's cost around $10.80. So we're here at the SO PHO. So it's a Vietnamese eating cafe. So it's just a small place, but it's good. It's very affordable. I'm with my friend here, by the way. Amigos and amigas! Come enjoy your amigos, amigas, and we'll do a food review later on. And they also included here like this one. Chips, by the way, in this food. Yummy! And a little bit veggie here. Yeah. And this one is the egg, of course. Very yummy. And also this, I ordered a drink. This one is the lemon. It costs a 5.50. It's very expensive, but it's okay because only once one it costs only 5.50. It's once in a while. Treat yourself, okay? This one. Very refreshing. It's very yummy, my amigos and amigas. So later, after I finish this, we're gonna try the dessert. Sorry again, I'm talking. My mouth is full, my amigos and amigas, because I can't help it. Shout out, by the way, to my friend. So we're done eating, my amigos and amigas. This one is the SO PHO cafe or restaurant, you call it. So we're finished. I'm gonna rate this. The one that I ordered is a minced chicken with vegetable with egg. I can rate this. It's very amazing and nice. Especially the minced beef is so yummy with the way they cook it. It's a little soft in it, not that so fried. It's much okay. And also I like the dessert. It's a glutinous rice with mango. It's like a Vietnamese delicacy dessert. So that's my review. So if you want me to to rate this, I can say 10 out of 10 by the way, especially the drinks. I really love it. And my friend also wants to rate it.
For me, I'm gonna rate this restaurant 9 out of 10. And also the people here are so friendly. Like when they say uncle, uncle, they will come immediately. So better come here. Located in Clemente Mall, right?
Yeah, Clemente Mall, third floor? Yeah, third floor. So come right here, my amigos and amigas. It's so full. So my amigos and amigas, thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and comment down below in the comment section box if you want to mention something or if you want to add something to my future amigos and amigas. Just subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell to be updated to my upcoming video. And with my friend Zelda.
Bye-bye, amigos and amigas!
A few inches later.
By the way, my amigos and amigas, what can you say about my hair today? It's hair rebonding.
Leia 2.0, version 2.0.
Okay, just comment down. Okay, thank you very much, my amigos and amigas. See?
Time for a love potion, a little sweet and spice. Throw it all in a cauldron, mix it up real nice. Fire in my eyes, stir counterclockwise. I dream of